Welcome to class, everyone! We are here today on the island of Montreal, in the province of Quebec, in the country of Canada, and we are in a dog park, and you have one job. See if you can tell which dogs are vegan and which ones aren't, just by the way they look. Good luck!
Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell.
Are you buying vegan dog food yet for your dog? If not, what are you waiting for? Why would you pay for murder if you don't have to? Let all the animals live. And while you're at it, why don't you become vegan too? I mean, if these dogs can do it, so can you.
Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Saving animals begins with you. If your neighbor can be vegan, then so can you.
Would you honestly be able to kill one of these animals to feed the others? And if so, which one? What would you base your decision on?
Animal liberation, 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 all over the world. We see, we hear you, we're coming to save you, we're coming to save you. Mother,
As a feminist, I will speak out for animal reproductive rights.
father,
I will point out the truth about fur. I will flood that truth with light.
brother,
I will support my sister if she's going egg and dairy free.
sister,
I'll support anyone becoming vegan in my family.
teacher,
I will tell the truth about violence caused to get milk and meat.
doctor,
I will learn about veganism and be prepared when we meet.
underprivileged,
I can be creative when I prepare healthy meals.
overprivileged.
I can choose the tofu instead of caviar or veal.
Animal liberation, 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 all over the world. We see, we hear you, we're coming to save you, we're coming to save you. Lawyer,
I will fight to change laws that are archaic and unjust.
Judge.
I will rule with care. The animals need me, so I know I must.
Athlete.
I'll study vegan athletes and imitate their ways.
Chef.
Bit by bit, I will ease out meat, not just on Mondays.
Therapist.
I will console those who have witnessed animals in pain.
Spouse.
I will welcome just one more animal yet once again.
Neighbor.
I will remember that you're vegan, and I'll invite you soon.
Boss.
I will create a cruelty-free table in the staff room.
Animal liberation, 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 all over the world. We see, we hear you, we're coming to save you, we're coming to save you. Teenager,
I will try to enlighten my parents, and I won't lose patience.
veterinarian,
I will confront the insanity of eating my own patients.
colleague,
I will make sure it's a vegan place when we all go out to eat.
cousin,
I will stop my stupid bacon jokes and be kinder when we meet.
grandparent,
We will support your vegan choices and admire your gentle heart.
Cashier.
I will say way to go when I see plant milks in your shopping cart.
butcher,
I will morph my shop into a cafe that sells brownies made with beans.
Friend.
I will do my own research about where vegans get their B12 and protein.
animal liberation, 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 all over the world. We see, we hear you, we're coming to save you, we're coming to save you. Animal liberation, animal liberation, animal liberation, this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling, I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward I will always be proud to be vegan, and I will declare it out loud. I'm here to save you, I'm here to save you. Little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see beyond myself, deep into the eyes and heart of someone else. The future is vegan.
See, these dogs are super lucky. They get to be free, off leash, running around, enjoying nature, smelling each other, smelling the leaves, seeing the sky. You know, so many animals are stuck on factory farms right now, suffering desperately, tortured from the moment that they are born till the moment that they die and end up on your plate. So I'm urging you to be vegan, to stop eating animals, and to join me here to help save their lives. Thank you. Go girl.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube